Okay, now in this session, I'm going to be teaching you how to search out a scholarship when you go to any school website. So it means you can search as many school websites as possible. In fact, any school that comes to your mind, go to their website and search for available scholarship for undergraduate students like you, or for graduate students like you. But basically, undergraduates, you go to the school website. So now I'm going to demonstrate how to do that with one school in Canada and one school in United States. It's the same thing for schools in Australia, UK, every other country in the world. This is how you can search out for scholarships on their website. So now follow me closely as we go to University of Toronto in Canada.
Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? Please, if you have not, subscribe, hit the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be among the first set of people that will get it. That's the only way you can support me, and YouTube will just help others to also see. So when you subscribe, like, share, invite your friends, then drop your comments in the comment section. I will definitely respond to all comments without issues.
So now we're on the school website. You will see future students, which is where you fall in. Then you click on it. When you click on it, you will see, you go down. This is it. Interested in applying? Yes, which is you are interested in applying. So this is international applicant. You click on international applicant. Welcome. This is what to international students and everything about you, a word round that telling you about the school. Now you're on this website for international applicants. What will you do? Then finances, you can see it. When you go to finances, you will now see one university fees award. When you click it, you come to what? Financial aid. Financial aid that is available for international students. So you will do what? Financial aid for Ontario students, Canada financial aid for Canada students, then United States of America student aid, financial aid for US students, then financial aid for international students. So be specific of what you are looking for. For international students, which is you, so you will click on this financial aid. So now, international students that want to study in Canada, you can see the government of Canada requires that international provide proof of financial support. You will have it, but then their own scholarships and award that is available for you. So all students, including international students, are automatically considered for scholarship upon admission. Scholarships and entrance awards for international students are limited and competitive due to the number of excellent students that apply to University of Toronto. Please know that most scholarships and awards for internationals do not cover the full tuition. It is best to have other funding plans in place. So this is to tell you that once your admission application stands out, you automatically get a scholarship in the University of Toronto. So this is, a lot of people don't know that scholarships are available in all these schools. And why I'm taking you to the school website is so that you will know that you are in for the best thing and you are in for a very good thing. So now, imagine if when you search your department, because school fees are department and course dependent, your course is 10,000 Canadian dollar school fees, and now the school is going to probably award you 8,000 Canadian dollar as a entrance scholarship. So the only thing you need to source for is 2,000 Canadian dollar, or it may even cover all your expenses, what they award you. So it depends on the scholarship that you get. So have it at the back of your mind that there are scholarships, but what is lacking there in the public is what? Information. So this is for Canada. So let's.
Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? Please, if you have not, subscribe, hit the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be among the first set of people that will get it. That's the only way you can support me, and YouTube will just help others to also see. So when you subscribe, like, share, invite your friends, then drop your comments in the comment section. I will definitely respond to all comments without issues.
Go to another school that is where in the United States. So when we go there, this is it. We're going to the second school, and this second school is in United States. It's what? Worcester State University. Worcester State University, this is what international applicants. So the international applicant, there is international undergraduate students, international graduate students, which is those that are going for masters and PhD. Now, international undergraduate process, you click on it. International undergraduate admission criteria, you will click on it and go through them. Then undergraduate scholarship, you click on it. So international students are eligible for merit scholarship of up to 15,000 US dollar, and see 1,875 per semester for up to 8 semesters upon completion of your degree. So you automatically, once you get admission, you will get this scholarship.
Okay, just click the notification bell by your side. In that way, you will help me promote this video. Thank you.
Then additional renewal criteria is minimum cumulative CGPA of 2.5. How will you be in a school and you will not be able to make up to 2.5 CGPA? Are you playing in this school? So this is me telling you that scholarships are bound, but we don't have the information. I am bringing the information to you now because I've had successful students over and over again, and I want you to believe me. The only thing is what, in your application, stand out. If you do everything that I've taught you, you will do what? Get a scholarship, and you will live the kind of life you want to live. You will be in your dream country, and you will live that life that is devoid of pain and stagnation and strike and everything. Please, scholarships are available. People don't know this. There are scholarships everywhere. So I've taken you to two school websites, Canada and US. This is also the same way when you go to schools in UK, US, Ireland, Australia. This is how you search out for what? International student scholarship. So I've taught you how to navigate through different school websites now. You won't say you don't know how to do it, and how you can identify the right website when you go through them. So having said this, now we can now continue our what modules as we go through this training. Thank you.